we are asked to simplify the expression and write the simplified expression using rational exponents and in radical form. Let's first write the denominator using rational exponents. Because the index is 9, 9 will be the denominator of the rational exponents. And because the exponent on x is 8 and the exponent on y is 7, 8 and 7 will be the numerators of the rational exponents. The given expression is equivalent to x cubed y to the fourth divided by x raised to the power of 8 ninths y raised to the power of 7 ninths. And now because a fraction bar represents division, we will divide. Remember, when dividing and the bases are the same, we subtract the exponents. X to the third divided by x to the 8 ninths is equal to x raised to the power of 3 minus 8 ninths. And y to the fourth divided by y to the 7 ninths is equal to y raised to the power of 4 minus 7 ninths. And now let's determine the differences. Let's write 3 minus 8 ninths as 3 over 1 minus 8 ninths. The least common denominator is 9, and therefore we multiply the numerator and denominator of 3 over 1 by 9, which gives us 27 ninths minus 8 ninths, which is equal to 19 ninths. And now let's determine 4, or 4 over 1, minus 7 ninths. Again, the least common denominator is 9, so we multiply the numerator and denominator of 4 over 1 by 9. This gives us 36 ninths minus 7 ninths, which is equal to 29 ninths. This gives us x raised to the power of 19 ninths and y raised to the power of 29 ninths. This is the simplified expression expressed using rational exponents. But now let's work on expressing this in radical form. Because the denominators of the rational exponents are 9, in radical form the index is 9, so we have the 9th root. Because the numerator of the rational exponent of x is 19, we have x to the 19th in the radicand. And because the numerator of the rational exponent on y is 29, we also have y to the 29th. But now we need to simplify this by identifying all the factors raised to the 9th power in the radicand. Let's first determine how many x to the 9ths are in x to the 19th. Because 19 divided by 9 is equal to 2 with the remainder of 1, there are 2 factors of x to the 9th in x to the 19th. Let's write x to the 19th as x to the 9th times x to the 9th. Notice how this would be 18 factors of x, and we have 19, so we have one more remaining factor of x, so we have times x. And now let's determine how many y to the 9ths are in y to the 29th. Because 29 divided by 9 is equal to 3 with the remainder of 2, there will be 3 factors of y to the 9th in y to the 29th. Let's write y to the 29th as y to the 9th times y to the 9th times y to the 9th. Notice how this would be 27 factors of y, and we have 29, so we still have times y squared. And now because the index is 9, x to the 9th will simplify to 1 factor of x here, and y to the 9th will simplify to 1 factor of y here, here, and here. So when simplifying, outside the radical we will have 1, 2 factors of x, and 1, 2, 3 factors of y, and we're still left with times the 9th root of xy squared. And because x times x is x squared, and y times y times y is y cubed, the simplified expression in radical form is x squared y cubed times the 9th root of xy squared. This is the simplified expression in radical form. So these two expressions are equivalent. One is expressed using rational exponents, and one is expressed in radical form. I hope you found this helpful.